Hey there, welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're tackling a word that's a staple in many kitchens mayonnaise. It's creamy, delicious, and versatile, but sometimes its pronunciation can get a little messy. Let's make sure we get it right. Here's how to say it mayonnaise. That's right, mayonnaise. Let's break it into three parts. First, May. This part sounds exactly like the month May. Next, It's a quick, soft sound, like a gentle sigh. Uh. Finally, nays. This rhymes with phase or haze. Now, put it all together. Mayonnaise. Let's practice it together. Ready? Say it with me slowly. Mayonnaise. Now, a little faster. Mayonnaise. Great job. A common mistake is saying mayonnaise or my knees. But remember, the correct pronunciation is mayonnaise with that soft in the middle. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that mayonnaise might have originated in France or Spain? The name comes from the French word moyeu, meaning egg yolk, a key ingredient in making mayo. And there you have it, mayonnaise. Now you're ready to talk about this creamy condiment with confidence. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more pronunciation tips and fun facts. See you next time on Say It Right.